Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the last of my alternate cards using elements from the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit Celebrating in Color. What I've got is an Orchid Oasis card base and one of the card fronts, and I've trimmed off one of the card bases to just flip under that edge, and I'm using die cuts from the set and also the stamps from the set. So the only thing that's not Paper Pumpkin related in this is my Orchid Oasis base. So what I can do to start off is I can just attach this edge piece to the card. Like, I just want a thin edge, and just to mimic the gold there. So we've got that piece, and I can actually attach this right down to the card base. So let's just do that, and then that's all done, and then we can build the rest of the card. This is going to go all the way against the edge of the card, like that. Make sure we're even, like that, and there we go. So it's actually going to still be that full edge, but you just get a little whisper of that. So we are going to set that aside for now. And I am going to stamp the words "just for" in the Orchid Oasis. And I'm going to do it on the "just for you." And I'm actually going to grab my scrap of paper and stamp this away because it doesn't look like I've got very good coverage. And I am going to grab a Kleenex or a tissue if you prefer, and just clean off where I over inked the block because I don't want to get that halo on my page. So just stamp away again. That looks much better, much cleaner on there. And I'm just going to move this over so I don't have the shine of the light, so that I can put this down square. So we've got "just for you" there. And I wanted to add some of these little scatter dots in the Orchid Oasis, just down this side, just to kind of fill in this blank area here and mimic the gold dots. So I'm just going to pop that there like that. And I'll just pop another couple at the top like that. So that's all the inking I need to do on this one. I am going to flat mount this to the punch out from, it was this card front here, and we punched out the middle, but I want the gold stripes to go up and down because I want to mimic this edge here. So I'm just going to drop that down like that. I'm going to grab some dimensionals again and just pop some dimensionals on the back of this. There we go, just like that. And add this on. I have so enjoyed this Paper Pumpkin kit this month. It has been absolutely fabulous. So many different ideas, and which ones do you pick to do, and that. So that is our last alternate card using the elements from the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I hope you have enjoyed these, and let's create together again soon.